Good day, traders, and welcome back to another weekly market update video with me, Zain Vawda, your analyst here at Vawda. It's been a positive start to the week for the US dollar, which has firmed against a basket of currencies, with the US dollar index rising into a key area of resistance. Now, beyond that, we do have US inflation data tomorrow, which could stoke some serious volatility for both the US dollar and financial markets as a whole. And a lot of that is down to what it might do to Federal Reserve rate cut expectations for the rest of this year. Now, obviously, the Fed has come under a lot of pressure from the US and from the Donald Trump administration in the United States around lowering interest rates, where the Fed have consistently maintained that they are waiting to see what tariffs might do to the inflation number. Now, for now, obviously, we're not going to see a lot of that effect yet on the inflation number, as tariffs have just basically started. So it will be interesting to see with tomorrow's number if there is any significant change on that front. Now, just speaking about the Fed as well, guys, we do have the ongoing search for the next Federal Reserve chair. And obviously, there has been a lot of names thrown into the hat there when it comes to a possible replacement for the outgoing Jerome Powell, whose term ends sometime next year. Now, there has been rumors, and we have also heard from the Bank of America Fund Manager Survey, which puts Christopher Waller, the current Fed policymaker, as the front runner. Now, there could be some substance to these rumors, obviously, given that Christopher Waller was nominated by President Trump during his first term for a seat on the Federal Reserve Board. So with that in mind, obviously, keep an eye on any developments on that front as well. Now, beyond that, guys, I think one of the biggest driving forces for markets this week is likely to be US-China trade talks. Now, the trade deal deadline, which had been set by the US Trump administration, was for the 12th of August, which is tomorrow. Now, we have heard a lot of back and forth between the two sides, and maybe there is a chance that a trade deal will not be struck by the end of the deadline. So there is a possibility that we could see a deadline extension once again by the Trump administration and possibly Chinese counterparts as well. So bear that in mind. That could stoke some serious volatility as well for the week ahead. Trade safe, and I will catch you guys next week for another market update.